Here we are going to study the basic things of ChatGPT or artificial intelligence. The base of is chat.openai.com. Chat.openai.com. Here we can see the basic things of ChatGPT. Just open chat.openai.com, and firstly you can see that the two buttons are there. One is ChatGPT and Explore GPT. The creation and the Python the scripts are there. You can create more things. Then you can see the Explore GPT. Here are the so many features are there. Some created by other companies, and the feature properties are there. Writing assistants, codings, and trending are these are created by another the third party image generator and Canva, logo creator, website creator, and DALI, data analysis, outboards, and creative writing technologies. And so many things are there. For writing purpose. There are so many softwares are there, and the productivity for the Canva is productivity software, and research for the research purpose we can create content through these softwares, and education purpose and lifestyle purpose and programming. So many contents are there. We can go back, and that's going for this chat.openai.com is we can go for explorer. And the main thing is that the first button, chat GPT, you can enter the prompt here. Message chat GPT, you can enter the prompt here. What you want to get the result, you can type it and you can go. Now you can check on the prompts. The first message chat GPT, you can just write it down what you need. Here we can just write a description, or write a note on, write a story, write a poem, anything you want to get the information, you just write it on. Here we can write it. Write an article about the future trends of artificial intelligence. Here we have to find out a descriptive letter or uh, descriptive information about a subject. Here we have to find out what is artificial intelligence, the future of artificial intelligence, emerging trends, and their this descriptive letter we have to get for about 100 lines, 100 letters, or that's why it's about 2 pages. We will get on the first information. You can regenerate it to another parts also, or you can specify specific content. This is the total information about that brief description, and if you need to get more out of it, you can just took that part and can enter and grab the information from here. Here you can see that about 20 or 30 lines are here. It's automatically generated, and you can just copy it and use it at anywhere. You can enter the next line itself, you can type it another letter, and no need to start from the beginning. You can just write it here itself. Also, we can right now we can write a poem on drain. Okay. This is thing that we are not using just for writing a description, but you can create poems, and you can go for uh, any languages. You can say that write a poem on train in Malayalam, then it will comes in Malayalam. So this is the about so many chances are there, and the heading is whispering of whispers of red. Likewise it will be great, and likewise we can create another right now Onam is coming. So what are the events occurring on the special occasion of Onam festival? Write special events in Onam festival. So from first to 10 days of Onam, what are happening from Atham to the 10 days? Here are the events. You can translate it to any other languages. You can just copy and go to Google Translate and can change it to any other languages. Right now you can see that you can read aloud from there itself. You can copy, you can regenerate, and the changing model, because this changing model from for ChatGPT 4, 3.5, etc. ChatGPT or OpenAI is not only a content generation software, but also which is using analytical ability to calculate some calculations in mathematical problems. Here we can find out how it's calculating. You can go to chat.openai, and the message box you can type a mathematical problem, a simple mathematical problem. Raju and Saju went to a shop and they purchased some items. Raju bought 12 apples for rupees 200, and Saju bought 20 oranges for rupees 180. So the total items they purchased, this is how much, and how much amount they paid, that we are asking for this model, ChatGPT model. We are asking for this, and the result will come here as like this. Here we can find Raj bought 12 apples and 20 Raj bought 20 oranges and 32 items are the total amount is 380. Now we can regenerate it extra. The same thing, Raj bought 12 apples for rupees 200 and Saju bought 20 oranges for 180 and the total amount is 380 and the total piece are 20. So now we can check it out that Saju bought 12 apples and Raju bought 12 apples and Saju bought 20 oranges. And right now we are checking if they are collected equally. If they both took the items in equal, then who will have loss? They purchased for total amount of 380 rupees and after that they equally divided, and then who will have the loss and how much? The calculations going there. And right now you can see that total cost is 380 and the amount who will lose, Raju's loss. The total cost is Raju loss 36, Saju's gain 5.3.